Hello students, today I'll explain you about the split up syllabus term wise for the subject computer science for the session 2021 and 22 as per CBSE curriculum. The CBSE has divided the syllabus into two terms. The first term comprises of the syllabus of first 50% of the subject and term 2 syllabus comprises of the last 50% syllabus of the particular subject. The term 1 examination will be conducted in November-December while the term 2 examination will be conducted in March-April. The weightage for the term 1 and term 2 will be given as per the situation of corona. If in term 1 the corona condition improves and students are able to come into school and give the paper offline, then the weightage will be given more to term 1. If the corona condition will improve in March April and the student will be able to come to school to give exam offline mode, then the weightage will be given to term 2. If the situation will not be normal in term 1 as well as in term 2, then the weightage will be given equally to both. And on the contrary, if situation will be normal in both the terms, then also the weightage to the term 1 and term 2 will be given equally. So this is the basic fundamental how the term 1 and term 2 examination will occur and what will be their weightage for calculating the final CBSE result for the class 10th and 12th. So now we will focus on computer science syllabus. Here you can see the theory syllabus for computer science. As you all know, the computer science subject comprises of 3 units in class 12th. First one is computation thinking and programming. 2. Computer networks and database management. The marks distribution for the units are as 40 marks for unit 1, 10 marks for unit 2 and 20 marks for unit 3. The overall marks distribution is 70 marks and 30 marks belongs to practical as CS is a practical subject. So for term 1 and term 2, the division of marks is defined in table 2 as here you can see. The term 1 comprises of first unit part only. That means in term 1 examination, you will have your paper only and only from the unit 1, that is Python programming. In term 2, you also have Python programming for 5 marks only, but you will have. And 10 marks for computer networks and 20 marks for database management system. So here you can see the 35 marks for term 1 and 35 marks for term 2. The term 1 syllabus you will have revision of Python topics covered in class 11th. That means whatever Python you have studied in class 11th will be there in term 1 examination. Why is it so? Because the Python you have studied in class 11th constructs a base for the topics you will study in class 12th. So both are equally important. So that's why one unit is Python revision tour. The next unit is function, in which we will cover types of function, user defined functions, arguments, flow of execution, scope of a variable, etc. Then comes the file handling portion. Here you will study the read, the write operation, the modification in the form of append operation in 3 types of files: text file, binary file and CSV file. Here you can see the text file, all the functions related to read, write and append are given. Then in binary file, all the operations like dump, move, load, pickle module, all are related to read, write and append of binary file. Then comes the CSV file. Here also the reading, writing in a CSV file will be covered. So this is all the syllabus for term 1, where Most importantly, there are only and only 3 units. First one, revision of Python. Second one, functions. And the third one is file handling. Then comes Theory 2 syllabus. Here, as I have already explained in the previous slide, that in term 2, you will have some portion of Python, full computer networks and full database management. So here you can see the data structure part of Python, that is having stack, will be covered in term 2. Initially or before Corona, we were having two types of data structure in this, stack and queue. But CBSE has reduced the syllabus and here stack is covered. Then comes computer network, in which evolution of networking, types of network, network devices, transmission media and all. The general introduction of each and every topic of networking will be covered here. Then comes database management. Here the database concept, its model, its keys, SQL, that is structured query language, its different clauses, its different commands will be covered, aggregate functions will be covered. Then the most important part of database management is this one. This is interface of Python with an SQL database. It means you will create the tables in SQL and create the front-end design in Python. Then interlink both and make a GUI based application or a software which can be used for real-time applications. Now the term 1 and term 2 practical. Here you can see the distribution out of total marks. This is for final marking. Here you can see the Python programs are of 8 marks. But in term 1 the weightage is 6 marks and in term 2 the weightage is 2 marks. SQL 4 marks and the complete weightage is given in term 2 because SQL is covered in term 2. So we will do their practical in term 2 only. Then report file. Report file comprises of 7 marks, out of which 4 marks will be given in term 1 and 3 marks will be given in term 2. Similarly, there is a project in which 8 marks are given and there 3 marks are given for term 1 and 5 marks are given for term 2. At last, for Viva Voice, 2 marks are there for term 1 and 1 mark is for term 2. So this is the division of practical marks. Now, it is a suggested list of Python programs given by CBSE. Here you can see the Python programs, all the programs belongs to file handling only. First one is text file, next one is also text file, then also file handling, binary file, then CSV, a random number generator, that is random module, and this program will be performed by using function. So we are covering only 3 chapters, revision of Python 2, file handling and function. And here you can see the programs are also coming from file handling and function. Then comes the practical list for term 2. Here first program is from Python, that is stack using list. Then database management queries are there. Database management, different types of commands are there. And at last, the integrates SQL with Python by importing suitable module. This is the most important topic of your syllabus. The reason being, it also covers the project section. See here the project details. You have to make the CBSE project for class 12 by using Python SQL connectivity. And for this, you have to know how to interface Python with SQL. Suppose here an example is given by CBSE that for a business, you have to generate an invoice application for any customer. So there, you have to create tables for GST claims, raw data, transactions by the company, accounts for GST tax rates. All these data will be collected in SQL, and an interface is designed in Python for handling all these queries. Then we have to merge both the different environments like SQL and Python into a single project, and this will cover your whole project submission. So the project submission is of 8 marks and out of 30. I'm not talking about term 1 and term 2. I'm talking about final, that is 8 marks. Out of 8 marks, you will score only and only when you will learn how to interface SQL with Python. So this is all for you. All the best. Good luck.